Hello Earth citizens. In this video, I will show you a 10-minute routine to do for high blood pressure. So a side note, I am not a doctor and this should never replace the professional opinions and recommendations of a real doctor. The exercise I will show you are to circulate blood well, energy well, and to stimulate the heart meridian and acupressure points that are related to the heart. So just keep that in mind that these are natural meridian-based exercises to help you manage high blood pressure. This should not replace your doctor's professional advice. All right, so with that said, let's get started. So first, we're gonna do a little bit of acupressure massage for your hands and feet that are related to your heart. So first, find the middle of your palm. If you cup your palm just slightly, there will be a point that dips the most in on your palm. That is the middle of your palm. So now when you have the middle of your palm, find the place on the back of your hand that's directly behind it. So you see how it's directly behind the middle of my palm? Find that place and you're going to stimulate that place right at the back of the middle of your palm. So put your index finger on the middle of your palm. With your thumb, push directly behind the middle of your palm. So this point is to help circulate blood that's related to your heart. So push here. Let's push here for 20 seconds. And then we're gonna switch. All right, so I'm doing a little massaging movement to stimulate a little bit better instead of just holding it. But if it feels good to just hold it, that's okay. Focus your attention on that place on the back of your hand. All right, 1, 2, 3, breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Great job. Now switch the other hand. So find the middle of your palm on the other hand. Place your index finger there. Use your thumb to push directly behind that point. And here too, you can do a little bit of massaging or pushing down. Relax your fingers though. 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Great job. Shake out your hands. Now we're gonna find the corresponding points on your feet. So let me show you. So on your foot, if you push your toes back like this, you'll find the ball of your feet. So right underneath, right here, there's a little soft spot. If you push right at the base, so it's not quite at the arch, above the arch right here, there's a little soft spot there. That point is called the Yongchan. Yongchan is connected to your kidneys, which helps circulate energy in your body, which is really good for people who have high blood pressure. They have a lot of tension that prevents energy flow. So we're going to massage this part right there, that acupressure point. You will know. If you push other spots, it's not as tender or soft. It's right here. So same thing, just like you did with your hand, with your thumb, you can move in little circles like this and push that point. I'll show you from the side view so you can see a little bit better. So here, let's massage 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Great. Okay, now switch the other foot. You don't have to flip around like I am. I'm just doing this so I can show you the position and posture better. Please just stay still and follow along. That's the best. You don't have to flip your body around like I am. Okay, so same spot. When you pull your toes back, it will reveal a point right here underneath the ball of your foot. Soft, tender spot right here. Okay, 20 seconds. You can either push down and hold or make little circles to help open up that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Great job. Okay, now lie down and lift your legs up and your hands like this. So you don't have to straighten your knees. You can bend them slightly. If you can see, I'm bending slightly, but here we're going to shake. So when you shake, it's not like this, okay? Not like this kind of shaking. It's more like small little vibrations quivering like this. When you shake with your legs, imagine you are kicking with your heels. So kick, 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 kick with your heels and shake, 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 shake like this for 1 minute. Are you ready? Small vibrations opening up the circulation in your whole body. Start. 1 minute. I will keep time. Shake, 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 shake. Kick, kick, kick with your heels. Shake, shake, shake your arms. Breathe. 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 Keep going, 30 more seconds. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, shake. Small vibrations. 15 seconds. If you're sensitive to energy, your body will already feel warmer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Drop. Breathe. Feel your body. You can feel shaking, heat, vibration in your body now. Stay connected to your body's feeling. Okay, now lift your arms and legs one more time. Last set for 1 minute. Shake like you're kicking your heel and shake. Opening your hands too, okay? Start. Through this movement, all of the small capillaries, the small blood vessels are opening. Blockages in your energy channels are opening now. Keep shaking and breathe. Are you breathing? 30 more seconds. Fifteen seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Totally relax your whole body. Close your eyes. Feel your body. You can feel tingling. That's energy sensation, energy flowing in your whole body. If you're sensitive to energy, you will also feel warm. If your body's releasing toxic energy, you might feel coldness. Whatever you feel is okay. Feel your body now. And try to breathe deeply into your abdomen and exhale from your abdomen. Now feel your whole body. Let your whole body sink down into the floor. And let's take 3 breaths together. Deep breath in, expand your abdomen. And a sigh out through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, deep breath in. And a loud sigh out. Now turn your body to the left side and sit up, please. How do you feel? Can you feel calmness? Calmness and relaxation and opening, especially in your legs and arms? If you do this exercise continuously, your blood vessels, your energy channel, especially the ones related to your heart, will open more and more. Proper circulation will help with high blood pressure. You did a great job. To experience a full 1-hour brain education-based class, please visit a local body and brain yoga studio near you.